you ever come across a word or a name and wondered, how exactly am I supposed to pronounce this?
Moschino.
What?
Moschino? Oi? Is that a word?
Well, we're going to show you how you can pronounce them and many more with the help of native speakers all around the world. Off to the pronunciation studio.
Welcome to Pronounce with me. We're looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say other interesting words in English. How do you go about pronouncing this one? Jojoba. Once again. Jojoba. Let's repeat. Jojoba. Pretty straightforward once you know.
What other words or names would you like to see us pronounce next? Let us know in the comment box below, and of course, be sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. God. Funny. I'm gonna have to look at the reference.